What's up guys? So today I would like to welcome you back to my channel. We are going to be doing a motivational clean with me in my kitchen. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please take the time to subscribe to my channel and also click that notification button so you can always be notified every time I upload a video. So I decided late at night around 10:30 that I was going to get this kitchen done. The kids was already asleep, and for some reason I just wasn't able to get a lot done that day. I had to focus on my little girl's hair, and Marcella was going through, I don't know what she was going through. She's not even 2 and she's still doing a whole lot. But back to the video.
Let's go.